The paper offers psychological explanations for linguistic and educational issues that arise as a result of the accelerated loss of cultural and linguistic diversity in heterogeneous settings in Central Eastern Europe, attributable mainly to the decline in the number of indigenous ethnic minorities. The aim is to analyze the psychological mechanisms of language and culture shift using knowledge from the psychology of learning, operant and classical conditioning, and motivation. Seeking answers to the following research questions. 1. What are the possible psychological explanations of the decrease of minority language use and linguistic and cultural shift? And 2. What are the guiding principles that should be taken into consideration when choosing the medium of education/instruction for indigenous ethno-linguistic children in Central Eastern Europe? To mitigate this decrease, a systematic review conducted on sources from the field of the psychology of multilingualism running the Scopus database and the applied behavior analysis (ABA) on selected sources has shown that such a systematic analysis is missing. The context of the analysis is the debate between representatives of pluralistic conception and their opponents over language use, cultural diversity and educational practice in heterogeneous regions. At least partly, explain with the mechanisms of positive reinforcement, punishment, avoiding, and with the concepts of learned helplessness and culture shock. Regarding educational practice, strong models of multilingual education offer ways to slow down the decrease of diversity. The Minority Safe Pack initiative that calls for protection of European language minorities seems justifiable. It is concluded that further research is needed on interactions between decline of linguistic, cultural and ethnic diversity and several developmental processes in children.